Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. Your girl's coming on today with another fall DIY to share with you. I was asked to use some more traditional fall colors, so I'm going to try. Your girl's going to try. I'm going to get some yellow, some browns, some red, some oranges in there, the traditional fall colors. So I'm starting out with two centerpiece ideas that I have today. Alright you guys, let's get started on today's two traditional color fall DIY. Alright everyone, I have this clear tray here from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be using some of this spray paint that I got from Walmart. Take it outside and spray paint our tray black. Okay, it's a few hours later and our tray is all spray painted and dry. So we're going to use the back part and use some of these mirrored tiles, which they come with a self-adhesive on the back. So we're just going to lay them going right around the back of our tray. Okay, so that's all done. Now I'm going to use some of this Bling sheet here. It's like a gold color. It's kind of a darkish gold, but it's some gold bling. And I cut it into strips. And it also has a self-adhesive on the back. So we're just going to lay it going right around our tray. So now that is all done, it's time that we are going to use some of these foam pieces here that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue them down the center of our tray. He don't know what he's got. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize you. And I got these pumpkins from Dollar Tree. Aren't they cute? With the little beads and the words that say thankful. I love it. I think they are so cute and they're so soft. So we're just going to put them on the side here. And then I got some flowers. Some fall color flowers. So we're just going to cut the flowers and arrange them going right around our tray. And here's our finished look for our fall centerpiece number 1. I like how it turned out. Looks very nice. I like these fall colors here. More on the brighter tone, but I like them. And it was easy and fast and fun to do. And you have a lovely centerpiece for your table. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of DIY number 1. And now on to DIY number 2, another clear bowl from the Dollar Tree, but this one's a little different shape, and I'll be using some of this gold spray paint to spray paint our bowl. Okay, a few hours later our bowl is all dry. It looks very nice. So I'm going to be using some of this Bling sheet that I got here, and it comes as self-adhesive on the back. So we're just gonna lay it down the center of our bowl. And now we're gonna use some more of our mirrored tiles. Just gonna place one on each side of our bowl. And now that our bowl is all done, we are going to take some more of these foam pieces floral pieces, I should say. And then we're gonna use the hot glue again and glue them down because we're gonna add our flowers to them. And again, here are flowers from the Dollar Tree. So we're just gonna cut them down and add them to our bowl. And I found these cute leather looking pumpkins in the Dollar Tree, so that's what we're gonna add to this centerpiece. And I also found these little flowers here, or what do you call them, leaf things or something like that. But they are so cute. I thought they were cute anyways. So I picked up two and I'm adding them to our arrangement. And here is our finished look. I like how it turned out. I think it looks very nice. Lovely colors, and I love the leather looking pumpkins. They are super cute. It was so fun and easy to make using traditional fall colors. I really like how they turned out, and your girl is gonna come back with some more using other colors and stuff for fall, giving you guys some nice ideas on how to decorate for this fall season for 2022. And here we go with some lights inside. I think it looks very nice. Another angle, another way to light up your centerpiece that you can place anywhere throughout your home. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of DIY number 2. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you. Remember, I will be back with more. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.